conditional statement. So in the conditional statement, we have to pass even and odd number. We have to check the number is even or odd. So let's check here how the program is working. Just a minute. So now check here. To check whether the number is even or odd, the first we have to define a variable. As we are taking a number, so number is what? In a numeric format. Okay, we know that two type of data we have to store. One is numeric, another is character. So here we have tags like to check whether our number is even or odd. To for checking that we are using numeric end norm. Display enter a number, that is asking you enter a number, so you have to put any number here. Okay, so let's check like begin numeric end norm. So when you define numeric end norm, a memory is allocated for you, end norm. Then display enter a number, it is asking you to enter a number. So I have to give a number here. Accept a number. Suppose I give here 4. Now here I define a conditional construct. Your number is divisible by 2. When I divide the number and it will check the condition, your remainder is 0. If number modulo 2 is equals to 0, after dividing a number, it will check yes. After dividing a number, your remainder is 0. So here it is showing you display number is even. Okay, so it is देखिए number is even. Okay, means this else part is disabled. Now check that I go for the else part. It is else part is disabled. Then now we move to next input. Numeric begin, numeric end norm. So memory is created. Display enter a number. Suppose I pass here another number which is not divisible by 2. Suppose I give here 9. Now condition I check here. 9 modulo 2 is equals to 0. No. 9 is not divisible by 2. Modulo means showing the remainder part. So it is not equals to 0. Then your first part is false. এই যে পার্টটা আছে এটা false হয়ে so your else part is execute. In else part, it is going to display number is on. Okay. Write it.
Okay, sir.
Write a pseudocode. Write a pseudocode to check whether the number is even or odd. Whether the number is even or odd.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so write this one.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Okay. So you write some question, homework, write a pseudocode.
yes, sir. 1 minute.
Write a pseudocode.
Yes, sir.
Accept a age of a person. Age of a person and check
Of the person and
check
check
the person is eligible for vote or not. Eligible for cast vote or not. The person is eligible for cast vote or not.
for cars.
Hmm. Do you know what is the age to give the vote?
What is the
For giving a vote or elect the CM or PM. Chief
vote?
Yes, vote. What is
No,
the age?
18.
Yes. So you have to do it. Okay. You have to check. You
Okay.
have to accept a age of a person and check the person is eligible for vote or not. Or write another pseudocode. Write a pseudocode.
Write pseudocode.
Check
Check
the person is sorry. I write a pseudocode. Accept a year. Accept a year
accept a year
and check
and check
is a leap year or not.
it is a leap year or not.
So do you know what is a leap year?
Yes, sir. It has 366 days.
Yes.
It has 366 days.
Yes. 366 days or you do it. You do it if you face difficulty, then I'll tell you.
Okay.
Next part is nested if else. Nested if else is what? Now, in a condition, in a if condition, you have to pass another condition. In a condition, if you pass another condition, that is called the nested if else. So, so in a if and else, if in a if you have to pass another if, that is called the nesting. Nesting means inside one another part is present. Like I will show you.
Inside a pseudocode, another pseudocode is present.
Another pseudocode. It is like a only one condition.
Oh.
In a condition, another condition present. Like I'll show you. If condition, then begin and end. So in the if your condition is true, then you have to go for another condition.
Okay.
Means nesting inside, like your gate, home gate. Then after you open the outer gate, then you have your room door.
Hmm.
If condition, then we have another condition. So that is called the nesting. Means this part is called as the nesting block.
Okay.
Nesting if. The next, here I'm going to show you how this nesting condition is working. Consider an example where the discount percentage on a TV needs to be decided on the basis of the type of TV, which type of TV that you are using. Depending upon the type of TV, we have to decide what is the discount rate. The discount will 5% of the selling price if TV is the CRT. Okay. Consider another example where discount percentage on a TV needs to be decided on the basis of type of TV. Depending upon your type of TV, then discount will be provided. if your TV is CRT, CRT full form is cathode ray tube. Now we are using what? Flat TV. Okay, LCD or LED that you hang in your wall. Earlier, what happened? Some kind of television is present. Those are not hanging in the wall. To keep this
Yes, sir.
television, you require a table. Okay. ମାନେ ଏଟା flat ନେଇ ନଥାଏ ମାନେ ତା ପଛ ଗୋଟେ ଟ୍ୟୁବ ହେଇକି ବା ଗୋଟେ ଲମ୍ବା ହେଇକି ବାହାରିଥିବ and to carry it
Yes, sir.
you require 2 to 3%. ଦେଖିଛ ସେମିତିଆ TV?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that is a old model TV that we have. Okay, but now we have the TV that is hanging the wall. Okay, we can easily take one person can take it and move anywhere. If the TV is CRT, the discount will be 5% the selling price. If the TV is LCD, then discount will be depending upon the size of TV screen. Okay, if the TV is CRT, then discount is 5%. If the TV is LCD, then the discount will depend upon the size of the TV screen. For 14 inches screen, the discount is 8% of selling price. For 21 inches screen, the discount is 10% of the selling price. Okay. 14 inch screen, discount is 8% if your TV is LCD. If your TV is LCD and screen size is 21, then the discount is 10%. So based upon it, we have to write the pseudocode. One minute.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Tell me.
sir, can I go to washroom?
Yes, yes.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Now I show the output or how it is working. Is little bit lengthy.
Okay.
Okay, so try to understand it. It's very easy, but looks like lengthy. Okay, so it is asking like numeric end screen, end discount, and end selling price. So first we define four variable. One is for screen size, another is for discount, one is for selling price, another is for which type of TV. It is a CRT or LCD. So first of
Okay.
all, first it is accept C type. C type means TV type. Suppose TV type is CRT.
Yeah. T.
Okay. Then accept the selling price. Suppose any selling price you can give. If the TV type C is CRT, for CRT you have to pass C, and for LCD you have to pass L. If you give C, then it will find out 5% of selling price. Then it is giving you the result. If you pass L, L means LCD, accept the end screen, accept the screen size.
Mm.
If the screen size is 14, because so in the if another if is present, that is called as the word nested if. First it will check
Mm.
which type of TV
Mm.
that you want to purchase. Suppose I want LCD, so I pass L.
Mm.
Then again it is asking
Mm.
you what is the size of the TV. The TV
Right.
size is 14. If it is 14,
14.
then discount is 8%. If the TV size is not 14, you have to pass 21.
21.
Then again it is showing you 10%. So it is called the nested if. Means in this if block and in this begin and end block, okay, you found that in between this if block there is another two if block is present. So it is called as a nested if condition. Okay, in a condition you have to pass another condition. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So I send this to your WhatsApp number. You note it down. Okay, so before that,
ସାର୍ ସାର୍ ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ ନମ୍ବରରେ ମତେ ମେସେଜ କରିଛନ୍ତି ସେ ନମ୍ବରଟା ମାମାଙ୍କ ଫୋନ ତ ସେଠି ନେଟ୍ ଆସୁନି ଏତେ ଭଲ ସେ ମେସେଜ ଗୁଡାକ ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟେ ନମ୍ବରଟା ଦେଇଥିଲି ସେଇଥିରେ ଆପଣ ମେସେଜ କରିଦେବେ।
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆଚ୍ଛା ଯୋଉ ତୁମର ସେଟା ତୁମର ତାতে WhatsApp ଅଛି?
ହଁ ହଁ ସେଇଥିରେ ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ସଆପ୍ ଅଛି ସେଇଟାରେ ଦେଇଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ହାଏ ପଠେଇଦେବି।
ଏବେ ପଠେଇ ଦିଅ। ପଠେଇ ଦିଅ, ମୁଁ ସାଙ୍ଗେ
ହଁ
ସାଙ୍ଗେ ପଠେଇ ଦଉଛି।
ପଠେଇଦେଲି।
अच्छा तुम्हें 8 नंबरटा पठाइल नहीं ओके एडा मु पठेइछि एडा होछि ए क्वेश्चन टा इटे लिखिनिया
क्वेश्चनଟା ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ଟିକେ ବ୍ଲର୍ ଆସୁଛି।
रुको ओके एडा होछि यार क्वेश्चन आओ तार आंसर ऊपर मु देछि हैना आ जो जो टैक्स देछि मते करिवो खाली स्कूल केते बेले
ओके
अछि
सर।
स्कूल केते बेले अछि 10
स्कूल ସବୁଦିନ ହଁ ସେମ୍ ଅଛି।
अच्छा ओके तो काली 3 PM किंबा 4 PM फ्री अछो
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍ ମୋ ଟ୍ୟୁସନ୍ ଅଛି।
अच्छा केते सरीबो
5 PM ହେଇଯିବ କି ଯଦି ସାର୍ 4 PM ରେ କରିବେ ତାହେଲେ ଆମର 6 PM ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ସରିଯିବ। ଆଉ ଯଦି ଆମର 5 PM ରେ କରିବେ ଫେର୍ ବି 6 PM ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ହିଁ ସରିଯିବ।
अच्छा
3 PM ରେ ଯଦି କରିବେ ସେ 4 PM ରେ ସାରିଦେବେ।
अच्छा तले मते कंफर्म करिवो ट्यूशन केते बळे अछि आजि जणा पडिवो ना काली जणा पडिवो
କାଲି ଜଣା ପଡିବ।
अच्छा ठीक अछि नले तुमरो सरजिवो माने मैक्स 6टा बळे सरछि तो 6 PM रे
ହଁ
ठीक अछि ठीक अछि नले मु 6 PM रे नले कनेक्ट करिवो हैना जदि हला काली करिवो
ओके।
ओके